Okay, guys, 30 seconds to shoot. Let's get ready, guys. Alright, roll sound, roll camera, action. Okay, zoom past that car. Go, 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 go.
So this is where the action's at.
I really hope there's chocolate-covered pretzels here today. My toe hurts. Oh, what the hell am I doing? I've been doing this for 10 years now, and it's like just another kick in the crotch every day. Hey, what's up, Jenny?
For the last time, Kyle, it's Jennifer. So, do you want another stunt gig tomorrow?
Yeah, sure, that'd be cool, I guess.
Okay, I'll send you the info, okay?
Alright, great. Hey, Jenny, or Jennifer rather, would you like to go to the, movies or something?
Hey, Captain.
Yeah.
What was that joke you told the boys the other night about the penguin and the case of beer?
Yeah, you gotta tell them that one. That one's great. Not now, boys. Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Captain! Get.
Yep, that's a slip disc.
All right. Great job, guys. Let's go on to the next scene. Hey, good death, man.
Oh, shoot. Billy Berg Buddies is on. Yeah. And then he was...
Yeah.
No, that wasn't it.
Come on, what happened next?
Yeah, George.
Wait a minute. The answer will come to me.
Whoa. Jennifer, hey.
Kyle, great. Look, I have an immediate commercial role for you.
Okay, well, can you give me some more details? Because last time it was about 10 hours of me getting kicked in the groin and then they
Listen,
didn't even
shut
use my
up.
face
Shut
for a
up.
shot.
My other actor's being a complete frickin' wuss, okay? Listen, I just need you to do it. Look, it's a speaking role, okay?
Oh. Okay, cool. I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Okay.
Huh. All right.
In your face! I'll be right back. That last beer is mine.
Hey, yo. I'm over here in the fridge. I'm so delicious, so tasty. Forget about her. You come and you get me, and we'll hang out, and it'll be a party. YOLO.
For beer this good, you only live once.